Here we presents the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 5, Logitech G915. It's hard to imagine a better wireless gaming keyboard than the Logitech G915. It's a sleek, attractive peripheral with satisfying mechanical switches, cool low-profile keycaps, a full media bar, 2 kinds of wireless connectivity and generous battery life. Moreover, it's not a tankless model, it doesn't require AA batteries, and it doesn't require tedious keyboard shortcuts to record macros. When Logitech first showed me the G915 via video chat, an engineer held up a dime next to the keyboard's chassis in order to demonstrate that the coin was wider than the device. I was sure this was a trick of the webcam, but it wasn't. When I got the G915 in my hands, I held it up to my own pocket change and realized that it was, indeed, thinner. That's an impressive feat for a fully mechanical model. The keyboard itself is gorgeous, with a brushed metal style finish over a sturdy plastic chassis. Each key has an ultra-thin keycap over a small mechanical switch, much like the fantastic Rockcat Vulcan. One quibble here is that the 5 extra buttons on the left are, for most players, only situationally useful. Including them extends the keyboard's length to 18.5 inches, a full inch more than some other full-size gaming keyboards on the market. It can make a difference if your desk space is limited. However, as a wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, the G915 nails almost every feature perfectly. If you're serious about an uncluttered gaming setup without sacrificing any functionality, this is the peripheral you'll want as a centerpiece. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, DAS Keyboard 4. A high-quality mechanical keyboard with a solid set of features for general or office use. If you do need the USB 3.0 hub of the professional model, the Root Edition is a better buy. Available with either Cherry MX brown or blue switches. Shame no backlight. The DAS Keyboard 4 Professional is one of my favorite mechanical keyboards. It offers solid and robust construction, a full-size layout and a great reputation. Whilst it is not a cheap keyboard, it will outlast your PC, and potentially your next one as well. For Mac users, DAS offers a model that fully supports macOS, including custom keycaps and full-function key support. It is hard to find a high-quality mechanical keyboard that fully supports macOS, so hats off to DAS for making a specific model. A mechanical keyboard offers a more tactical and responsive typing experience and is preferred by typists, programmers, and gamers. A mechanical keyboard is also typically more durable and offers a choice of different key switches, each providing a different typing feel. This level of customization and choice is one significant advantage over other keyboard types, such as the typical membrane keyboard. One nice feature of the DAS is the ability to choose between 2 different types of key switches, either the clicky typist-friendly Cherry MX Blue or the more versatile and tactile Cherry MX Brown. I have a preference for the MX Browns due to their quietness and tactile feel. However, for those not in an open office or pretty more keyboard feedback, the MX Blues offer a great typing experience. Cherry switches are very popular key switches, and whilst there are several high-quality alternatives, such as from Kale or Gateron, you cannot go wrong with those from Cherry, and are rated at 50 million key presses. If you are looking for a high-quality mechanical keyboard, you cannot go past the DAS Keyboard 4 Root Edition mechanical keyboard. Highly recommended. Halfway of my listed number 3, Corsair K63. In the past year, there's been a steady rise in the trend of wireless gaming peripherals. Corsair, eager to join in on the action, enters the ring with its K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. It doesn't offer RGB lighting or diverse switch options. For that, you'll need to step up to models like the pricier Editor's Choice Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. But for those who want to go wireless, the K63 is a solid mechanical keyboard that can be paired with an optional lapboard accessory for living room gaming. The form factor of the K63 wireless mimics Corsair's other tankless keyboard designs like the K65 RGB, offering all the functionality you would expect from a premium mechanical keyboard. The K63 is big and hefty, measuring 14.5 by 7 by 1 inches and weighing 3.5 pounds without its detachable wrist rest. There are more dainty and less expensive wireless keyboards to be had, including the Logitech K480 or the Rapu 8900P, but you'll need to sacrifice the mechanical switches I really like on the K63. Full dedicated media controls are a convenient feature on the K63, allowing you to easily manipulate the playback of music and movies. The cherry red switches, a staple of the mechanical keyboard community, serve as the K63's backbone and report with the clarity and accuracy you would expect from any top-tier gaming keyboard. However, cherry red switches are currently the only option, leaving no wiggle room for personal preferences for those looking for something a little noisier or with any kind of tactile feedback. The Corsair K63 is a full-featured wireless mechanical gaming keyboard that will serve you well on your desktop, but the optional lapboard is a frivolity that won't help much during intense gameplay. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2. Razer BlackWidow Lite. The rubber dome-based keyboards that come standard with most desktops are a bad, mushy joke. Even if tapping your laptop's keyboard doesn't feel like you're pushing on a rock, nothing beats the feel of pressing down a deep, responsive switch. If you care at all about typing comfort, you need to get a keyboard with mechanical switches. But most of the top mechanical keyboards are made for gamers, so they look too blingy to use in front of your old-school boss. The BlackWidow Lite's understated looks will fit in fine at even the most conservative law firm or investment bank. Apart from having the word Razer subtly embossed above the arrow keys, there's no obvious sign that this comes from a gaming company. Razer's snake logo is conspicuously absent. The matte black keys only have a white backlight, and their simple rectangular shape is the same as you'll find on many other keyboards. The font on the keycaps is also very standard, not the same high-tech typography that you'll find on Razer's other keyboards. Rather than having a built-in cable like so many other keyboards, the BlackWidow Lite comes with a detachable, braided micro USB to USB Type-A cable that has a built-in cable tie. So when you're on the go, you can easily wrap it up and take it with you. The bottom of the keyboard features a pair of flip-out feet that raise the top of it up about 0.3 inches. While many typists will be fine with this, I would have preferred more elevation and a sharper angle with the feet flipped out. The Razer BlackWidow Ultimate that I have been using at work recently has a much sharper angle. The feet are also a bit flimsy as one fell off in my bag, and I had to reattach it. And number 1. Redragon K552. It's a great option if you're on a limited budget and are looking for blue switches, and it's surprisingly well built for the price. You actually get a lot of keyboard for a low price: solid construction, RGB options, good blue switches, small TKL footprint, and even claimed splash proof. This is a buy for someone who's looking to get into mechanical keyboards without a huge investment. You can rest assured you're actually getting a true mechanical keyboarding experience with the Redragon for $30. It's quite a deal. There are some design, let's call them decisions, that are absolutely ghastly, but it's something you have to live considering the Redragon's value. There's a pretty large Redragon logo right above the arrow cluster, and the labels for the function keys is for some reason aligned to the right. The keyboard case is entirely plastic, no premium materials here, but you should be expecting that at this price point. The case is made entirely of a matte black plastic, and is plenty sturdy for regular, or even ragey gaming use. The backplate is actually made of a brushed aluminum, and is what I would suspect is contributing to the weight of the keyboard overall. Overall, the keyboard is rigid, no weak spots, well-built keyboard that I would say surpasses several keyboards that cost 3 times more than the Redragon. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.